Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the About tablet. Now we have to localize the build number, which probably is in the version. Let's tap on it. As you can see, the build number appears. So right now we have to do a strange thing. So we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back and enter the system. Tap on advanced. And as you can see here, we've got the developer options. So let's enter, and here we've got some advanced settings which we can customize. We've got quite a lot of them actually. Here you can, for example, force activities to be resizable. Here you can also strict mode, you can enable strict mode, you can show view updates, you can change the window animation scale, you can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the Bluetooth and overall to the networking, basically because we've got the USB and the Wi-Fi, etc. So basically, if you want to turn on the option, all you have to do is to just tap on the switcher. And let me show it to you on the pointer location. For example, as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options and if you want to turn them off, just tap on the switcher on this kind of bluish background. Just tap on it, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to restart it. You can do it. I don't want to do that, so let me cancel it, but let's imagine that I did. And after turning it on again, the developer options will basically disappear from this system list. But of course, no worries. If you want to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.